Top 10 terrifying videos not for the faint-hearted. Number 10. William Sloan. William Sloan's home is now constantly haunted by the scariest paranormal occurrences, and he's left in complete disarray. He admits this is entirely his fault because he made a tough decision to awaken the sleepy, unforeseen forces.
Just rock it a little bit. Just a little bit.
In this video, he's seen playing with a Ouija board as part of the quest to find out what happens on the other side. He succeeded in making a hair-raising contact with a ghost called James. He continues this fun session by telling the spirits to move the rocking chair slowly. He tells James to move the scented candle that he placed on top of the dining table. The candle moves, and William's excitement increases.
One more time.
He challenges James to move the curtain on his front door more intensely. He wanted to confirm the proof that he could do it. He also taught James to slowly ring the bell by slowly tapping on it, which the ghost did gladly. However, this fun moment turns out to be William's greatest regret. Since then, William Sloan has been calling out for help from the public. He wants suggestions on how to properly end his paranormal sessions with this friendly ghost.
I'm not convinced.
The paranormal activities inside his house have continued to escalate. Any helpful advice for William, or do you think he got what he deserved? Wait a minute. Do ghosts understand English? We assumed they had a different language, and now this raises more suspicion.
Oh.
Number 9. Austin Rowe. An angry ghost sets out to take vengeance in a hotel in Atlanta, Georgia. In the 1900s, a young lady fell off the elevator shaft of this hotel and died. Since then, her ghost has been seen haunting the entire hotel. It shows up unexpectedly, appearing in the hotel mirrors. It takes the hotel guests by surprise, giving them spine-chilling feelings with these paranormal occurrences. Guests of the hotel also attested to the sounds of falling objects and movements around the hotel. Austin Rowe, a YouTuber, goes on a trip to this hotel with a group of friends on a 24-hour paranormal investigation. He seemed eager and curious to find this ghost and get her caught on camera. What happened there is totally petrifying. The group of friends were all awakened by fallen objects. There was also the clicking sound of the bedside lamp as the ghost turned it on and off. One of them was pretty sure of the sound he heard and tried to convince the others that the spirit was right inside the same room. Do you think the ghost was upset by their presence? Or was she in the hotel carrying out these usual creepy movements? Number 8. Ghost of Britain. The Ghost of Britain takes on an investigation of a scary-looking home which they believed a family once lived. While exploring the house, they stumble on a terrifying sight. There were some creepy pictures on the table that appeared to have been crafted by a child. There was also a bone-chilling metal hook sticking out of the ceiling, which undoubtedly wasn't used to hang a flower pot. They started their investigation by trying to make sense out of the abandoned home.
We want to try and make sense out of this place. We want to know about its history.
He places a motion detector next to a toy to see if it could detect the history of this place. That was the moment everything changed.
Brianna.
Bear's just gone. Did you see that? The bear was just pushed over.
It appeared they were not alone inside this creepy building. Whoever or whatever was in there with them did not hesitate to make a terrifying ground appearance by moving a toy. Or maybe the ghost was about to make its exit and did not want to leave without the toy. Do we assume that it was a child ghost, or maybe not? Number 7. Ghost Hunters. What would you do if you ever found a menacing, transparent person in your home making creepy movements in your bedroom at night? A home's CCTV caught the mysterious action of what appeared to be a ghost on camera. The haunted bedroom had lots of bugs, which explains why the bed is covered with a mosquito net. The bed is neatly arranged with a CCTV camera running. This room is not from an abandoned building. The scene appears to be peaceful and remains such when the ghost walks into the left part of the left room, moving towards the bed. What catches our attention is how the scary ghost disappears in a motion that looked exactly like someone jumping into a bed. Did you see that? Yeah. Number 6, computer guys. You will be intrigued to find out that ghosts also try to cover up crimes by hacking into servers and shutting down computers. Well, that is our thought on this video. A ghost attacked this server room in Singapore. Through the shocking revelation of a CCTV camera, a ghost was found. Several pulling sounds were coming from the room. These sounds were similar to that of a printing machine. The doors opened and closed without seeing anyone entering the server room. Shortly after, there was the presence of some IT workers. It goes a long way to explain that the ghost had tampered with the servers. It caused some technical problems which needed to be fixed. What exactly was this ghost trying to hide? The IT workers check through the wires and machines and then they exit the room. Moments later, caught the scariest thing on camera. The laptop closes and reopens just before the IT workers get back to check on the space. There was this spine-chilling shadow of a ghost on the wall, which was later seen on the floor. They say ghosts are attracted to electric cables. Could this be why ghosts haunt a server room? Yeah. Number 5. Iri Abdul Rohim. Evil forces make an appearance during a calm prayer session in this Indonesian prayer room. While the prayers were going on, an innocent man suddenly starts to display the attack of an unforeseen force. The man was thrown backward by this petrifying force, dragged by his leg to sit back up, and flown backward again by the same power. Shortly after it happened, the video went viral in all of Singapore. This viral video shows the terrifying look on the faces of other people who sat close to the innocent man and how they were distracted from their prayers. Some people who shared their thoughts of these videos said the man's actions looked a bit staged. Others surely believed he was truly taken over by a force. The question is, what kind of a force would attack someone right inside a prayer room? It's a clear case of a paranormal experience of an evil spirit. What are your thoughts about this video? Do you think it was staged? Let us know down in the comments. Yes. Number 4. Mohammed bin Naeem. In this creepy paranormal investigation, Mohammed bin Naeem gets his fair share of what he was looking for in this old abandoned house. He goes there to find and catch a ghost on camera. Upon his arrival at the home, there was a noise of a slamming door right in front of him. The noise was coming from a room ahead. The spine-chilling sound was followed by that of a glass shattering into pieces downstairs. Mohammed bin Naeem chooses to investigate the slamming door first because it was closer to him. He screams and moves away from the slamming door. From our guess, we think the ghost hunter immediately left the building on the quest of saving his life. There was no other evidence in this video to prove that he went downstairs to check on what led to the broken glass, or if he saw the ghost in this haunted building. Yeah. Number 3. Mr. Hearth. A ghost hunter had chills running down his spine when he finds himself standing right in front of a mysterious, scary figure with blurry eyes. The figure was covered in black and had a curved tongue, which stuck out of its mouth awfully. From the ghost hunter's reaction, we could tell that he was scared to death. We think he was brave because despite being unaware of this petrifying figure, his curiosity did not seem to go down. He points his torchlight at the figure to get a perfect description of it and probably get caught on camera. The figure's blurry eyes open and shuts. What happened next was mind-blowing. In split seconds, the figure which was standing there by the ghost hunter was gone. It mysteriously disappears from the scene. Well, we hope the ghost hunter made it out of the abandoned building in one piece. Number 2. R. Chill's narrator. Lucky 1196. A peaceful home birthday get-together turns out to be a family's worst nightmare. Right in the middle of the celebration, their home becomes a haunted place. They started the festival by singing the happy birthday song. That was the exact moment the girl's father realized the water in the kitchen suddenly stopped running. I guess his thoughts were that they had a plumbing issue to tackle. Almost at the same time, we see his daughter running right into his arms. A disturbing occurrence right in front of their eyes. The kitchen cabinets started to open and shut, leaving the party in complete different state.
What the going on? Go to the front room. Go to the front room, girls. Go. Get out.
From the video, we can see many people in the kitchen, so it's hard to guess who the ghost was targeting or what exactly led to this terrifying experience. We suspect that either a wicked evil spirit does not want to see the girl happy, or her house is a haunted place. Number 1. Mario Lara. I'll bet this is the scariest face you've ever seen. In this video clip, what you see is a footage from a security camera that captures the moment when a terrifying-looking face appears from a pile of dolls. We have no idea what this could be and what it was doing sneaking around in a nap of dishes non-stop. The scary head has streaks of hair dropping down its face, with eyes as bright as reflecting mirrors and other features that distinguish it from a human. The room appears dark, and the camera saw no one else walking or sitting in the shop. We believe this paranormal occurrence took place at the dead of night. What could be this creation's mission at that time? These paranormal occurrences are so scary, one would wonder if they were scenes from a horror movie. That's it on the top 10 terrifying videos, not for the faint-hearted. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the post notification for more scary videos. Also click on the videos that pop up on the end screen of this video. We'll be back soon.